Okay, so we're going to find the volume of the rectangular pyramid, and we're going to be using our formula for volume equals 1/3 big B times h, which stands for 1/3 the area of the base times the height. I'm going to go ahead and get myself a text box here. So go ahead and write out your formula. If you would like to draw your picture the best you can, you can. Or you can just go ahead and on your piece of paper, we're going to be doing 4 different examples. So I would go ahead and just like make like a window and just put the title of the shape. If you choose to draw it, that's great. I know that drawing these shapes are not very easy. Okay, so volume equals 1/3 big B times h. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the formula. Sorry. So I'm going to put my 1/3. And big B is the area of the base, okay? So the area of the base, here is the base. Normally I would have you guys like shade it in. So if you have, if you drew it out, you can go ahead and shade it in. This is it right here. It's this rectangle at the bottom. That is our base of our rectangular pyramid. Remember the name rectangular, so rectangular pyramid. So the base is a rectangle. So to find the area of the base, I'm going to do length times width, and then we're going to multiply by the height of the pyramid. Okay, so I'm going to have to keep typing it out. Sorry about this. Okay, so 1/3, and that is going to be times, and the length of the width, it's 7 and 8. It's a rectangle. It probably doesn't matter which one you put first. Okay, and then the height of the pyramid. You can see the height of the pyramid. They're either going to show it from the top of the pyramid to the base. Sometimes they'll show it inside the pyramid, or sometimes they show it outside. So you're looking for this like straight line somewhere from the tip of the pyramid to the base. So it's 12. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and find the area of the base first. So the area of the base is 7 times 8, and 7 times 8 is 56. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. And we're going to do it times divided by 3 at the end. And then 56, now we're going to do it times 12, so it's the height. So basically, we're like finding the area of a prism and then dividing it by 3. That's really all we're going to be doing. So now I'm going to do 56 times 12. I'm just going to go ahead and do that on the calculator, but if you'd like to do it by hand, you're more than welcome. 56 times 12 is 672. Now when we multiply by 1/3, that's the same as dividing by 3. So I'm going to take the 672, and I'm going to divide it by 3 now. And that is 224 cubic centimeters. And that is the volume of the pyramid. Okay, on this one we have a triangular pyramid, which should mean that the base here is a triangle. So you can find the base because it's opposite of the top point of the pyramid. So here's the top point. So here's the base of the pyramid. The base right here. So here is the base. That's the base. But this is also the base of the base. I know it sounds kind of silly, but the base is a triangle. So the formula for area of a triangle is base times height. So you have to think like, what's the base of the triangle? So the base of the triangle is 6, and the height of the triangle is actually 3. Whoops. The height of the triangle is actually 3 because you see how it's pointing to this dashed line, and that's the tip of the pyramid to the base of, the tip of the triangle to the base of the actual triangle. Well, there's a lot of tongue twisters here. Okay, now this 5 right here is actually the height of the pyramid because it's going from the tip of the pyramid to the base. So the height is being shown inside. So don't get confused with all this. Now this one is going to be pretty tricky because remember that big B is area of the base, and that base is a triangle. So we're going to have to also do, I'm going to put 0.5 so we're not confused. 1/2 times base times height. Remember, it's 6 times 3 of the base. So this right here is the area of the base. Let me just go ahead and color this in because I don't want to confuse you. That is this right here. Okay. Now, we're going to do the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid was 5. Okay, so I'm going to find the area of the base. I'm going to find that purple section first. Then I'm going to multiply by 5. Then I'm going to, I got purple again. Then I'm going to divide it by 3 because that's multiplying by 3. Okay, so what's 6 times 3? 18. Take 18, split it in half, you get 9. Okay? There we go. Okay, so this 9 right here that we got was the area of the base. Okay? Now we're going to multiply by 5, which is the height of the pyramid. And 9 times 5 is 45. You can use multiplication symbols or parentheses, whatever is better for you. Okay? And then we're going to take a third of 45. Remember, that's just dividing it by 3. So 45 divided by 3 is 15. Now, if you're wondering where I'm getting these numbers from, I am using the calculator to help me out. Or some of these aren't memorized. You can go ahead and do it on the side, come back, and watch the video again. It's up to you guys. Okay, so volume is 15 cubic meters.